Hello everyone, we are here today at Airdrie Dodge Jeep, home of the $10,000 giveaway. What does that mean? Well, with any vehicle purchase, you're going to be entered into our monthly draw that month for your chance to win $10,000. And now back to the star of the show. We have this absolutely gorgeous 2021 Hyundai Palisade Preferred all-wheel drive. This was just recently brought in to show you. Under the hood, you're going to find a 3.8 liter V6 engine that's paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, giving you a super smooth ride. And again, as mentioned, this is all-wheel drive. It's shown in the gorgeous hyper white color, which has a beautiful metallic finish to it. Down below, you'll be riding on 20-inch wheels that have a great set of Bridgestone all-season tires. We're going to take you through this quickly, but if you have any additional questions, please don't hesitate to give us a call. So helping you in, you do get this remote from the factory with your unlock lock remote start. I'm trying to show you here the blind spot monitoring symbol on the mirror, which is a terrible shot of that, but it is there. There we go. And then you have, again, those 20-inch wheels, and the tires are in excellent condition. I'll give you a quick shot of the tread there. And then as you head on inside, you do have proximity key system. Beautiful black interior. You do have memory seats, 2 different settings. There we go. Beautiful accent panel throughout here, nice and clean. Power mirrors, windows and locks, lots of storage in the door. Mats and carpets are in excellent condition. Your driver's seat's fully adjustable with lumbar support, and you get this beautiful modern upholstery throughout, and your front seats and second row seats are heated. On your steering wheel, it is also heated. You do have your cruise control, including adaptive cruise control and dash selection on the right. To the left, you have your Bluetooth and hands-free audio mounted controls on there as well, and paddle shifters. To the left of that, you have, again, blind spot monitoring, lane departure warning, traction control, and your electronic parking brake. So moving on up, you do have a menu in there, 14,496 kilometers on this currently, so low mileage. So this will give you a few different options. Of course, take a second to explore this a little bit further with your sales advisor. Moving over to the right, along with that proximity key system and remote, you have a push button start. So very convenient to enter the vehicle and start it as long as the key is on you somewhere. You'll be able to do both of those actions. And then into your media center. So we'll go from here into your home screen. So of course, your phone, you have rear climate controls, Google Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capability. We'll go into your radio. You do have your AM and FM capability in here. You would be able to connect your media through, of course, the Apple CarPlay or Google Android Auto, as well as Bluetooth and USB. Beautiful backup camera. Moving on down, you have the manual buttons for climate and media. You do have dual zone climate control in here, as well as, again, rear climate, push button for your shifting. You also have your heated seat and steering wheel options, and then you have your driving comfort modes as well as terrain. So comfort, eco, sport, smart, and then for your terrain, you have snow, sand, and there was one other one there as well. Mud is your other option. So again, you can use that control panel. You have a beautiful display on the media area. This closes up nicely, so you can actually tuck these away if you aren't using the cup holders to give you some additional space, and they'll just pop back out when you need them, so that's kind of fun. And then in the center console, lots more storage space with 2 12-volt outlets. We'll give you a quick pan through on the passenger side. Everything again is in great condition, lots of space down below. There was another 12-volt outlet down there as well. So very spacious in here, super comfortable. Glove compartment down below, of course, and then you have illuminated vanity mirrors. You have a built-in mirror to keep an eye on any back passengers, as well as a beautiful sunroof. As we head into the back, I'm trying to get a shot of this really pretty paint color for you. It's just gorgeous in the sunshine. Everything is in great condition as well on the exterior. You have built-in sunshades, which is lovely. We'll just tuck away when you're not using them. Cup holders right inside the door, as well as your power window, of course. Storage as well. Everything back here, again, in great condition. Storage behind the seats, another 12-volt outlet, heated seats back here, 3 different settings, as well as they can control their climate, built-in USB ports right into the seat. If you're hanging a tablet over the edge, that would be great, or over the back. And then you have an armrest with 2 cup holders, obviously, so the seats do fold flat. You can also push this button here. That'll bring the seat forward and give you an access point. For the third row, I forgot to mention, this is an 8-passenger unit, so lots of cargo space in here for passengers or really any cargo. So cup holders along the sides. In the back, this is a view with your third row in the upright position, so you still have tons of space back here with all of the seats in the upright position. Down below, you have a built-in tonneau cover that can come out and, of course, be installed. You can hit these buttons here, and that will fold down the second row, so when both rows are folded down, you would have tons and tons of space. So overall, as you can see, that was just a very quick video. We would encourage you to come on down, book yourself in for a test drive, and get this Palisade on the road so you can experience it for yourself. Our information is at the end of this video. We'd like to thank you for watching and hope to see you soon.